The Birds Are Chirping Happily by Ken Nesbitt. The birds are chirping happily, lizards love their song. The worms are winding lazily, slithering along. The fish are blowing bubbles, while the crickets chirp and hop. The mice are running round and round, and never stop. The turtles slowly stretch and yawn, the furries jump and slide. The guinea pigs are burrowing, the snakes slip side to side. The bunnies bounce around their cage, the ducklings dive and flap. The hamsters and the hedgehogs are relaxing with a nap. Our teacher keeps so many pets, it's what she likes to do. Because before she worked at school, she used to run the zoo. She used to run the zoo.